Okay, we have a US lock. It is a 6-pin. This is the bitting on the key. Lock does work. Okay, it is locked. Okay, we're going to use bottom of the keyway. Let's get our pick in, our tension wrench in. We're going to use this pick. We're going to start at the front. This requires very light tension and very light movement of the pins. That number 1 pin requires being set first before you can go any further, and it is hard to get the number 1 pin set properly. If you don't get it set right, you'll never go anywhere with it. Okay, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's start at the front again. Okay, we missed the pin. Then it's set. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, okay, it's open on number 2. Okay, let's get the clip off. Alright, let's do it the easy way. Maybe we won't dump the pins out. Turn this up a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and do the bottom pins first. Alright, number 6 has a double spool in the top. Number 5 has a serrated type spool. Number 6 has a long serrated pin. Number 4. Okay, the same thing in number 2 or number 3. There's another type of spool in number 2. Number 1, another serrated type spool. Now let's see, check the pins. Okay, all 6 pins are in the lock. Number 1 is serrated, 2 is serrated, 3 is serrated, 4 is serrated, 5 serrated, and 6 is serrated. Okay, nothing has, well, let's see. Okay, you've got, don't know where you can set it up, but threaded on 2, 3, and 5 is threaded. Okay, let's see if we can straighten these pins out a little bit and get a little closer look at them. Okay. Okay, this is what pins 1 and 2 look like. And pins 3 and 4. And then 5 and 6. Alright, that does it for that US lock KIK. Please do not do anything illegal. Please stay out of trouble. And please have a nice day. Thank you. Appreciate it.